My fellow brethren, in order to do our part in the efforts to flatten the curve and lessen the impact of the COVID-19 virus, we have made the very difficult decision to close the operations of all our clubs beginning Monday, June 28th until at least July 11th, 2021. All memberships will be extended to cover the time the clubs are closed. During this time, we will continue to have maintenance and janitorial crews on duty so that when we reopen, we will know that we've done everything possible to ensure our clubs are ready for your safe return. This is not a decision we made lightly. We have taken significant precautions across our brand to keep our members and employees safe while continuing to offer our workouts. However, as this situation continues to evolve rapidly, we believe that temporarily closing is the right thing to do. Never did we imagine a day when we will have to close the doors to our spin studios and countless riders who turn up to Soul Cycle for a safe space. During this critical time, keeping our riders, instructors, and the studio team safe is our absolute top priority. We will get through this the same way we get through everything else, together. At Dream Body Fitness, we choose humanity over commerce with this decision. We are stronger together, and as a global fitness community, we appreciate your support during these trying times. The COVID-19 health crisis is presenting challenges that are unprecedented in our lifetime. Be safe, remain healthy, and we look forward to welcoming you back into our clubs as quickly as possible. The length of this temporary closure is entirely dependent upon governmental guidance. God bless us all.